Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Well, today's the day. I finished the 1275 kit install on my Iron 83, officially making it the Iron 1275. And today I'm going to start it for the first time to run it through its first heat cycle. Now, Hammer Performace says you need to run it through several heat cycles, but the first one is only 10 seconds long. So today's the day. This is either going to be like an epic win or an epic fail. Did I do everything correctly? Did I put everything back together right? Is everything connected? Did I follow the instructions? Well, I'm hoping, because I really want this thing to work. So I've got my timer ready to go. I'm gonna make sure we're only running this for 10 seconds before I shut it down. I'm gonna do the first start right now and see how it goes. So, I don't know, wish me luck. Here we go. Yeah, so that was a little bit of a fail. Yeah, that didn't go as planned. But I think I figured out why. There's one thing I neglected to check before I did this, which was the battery. Yeah, so I hadn't had it on a tender for quite a bit of time, so yeah, the battery is kind of not fully charged. So I threw it on the tender for a while here, and now I'm back, and I think we're ready to give this another shot because that didn't go as planned. So, all right, let's do this one more time, all right? Hell yeah, man. First time started up. It worked. I can't believe it. It's finally done. 1275 kit installed and running. That was the first heat cycle. Now I can do the next three and then take it out on the road for its first mile. I'm super pumped for this. I'm so glad the bike's back and running. Yeah, this has been a long time coming. So thanks for sticking with me and watching. You know, if you're new here, hit that like, comment, subscribe button below. I appreciate all the views. And yeah, man, I can't wait to get this thing on the road. So stay tuned and I'll get this thing out. All right, peace.